Married to hip hop. Listen, honestly, I would've never thought I'd be the person that I am. I thought this rap game would be easy, but it's worse than I planned. Some people just don't understand. This is what I wanna do forever, man. This is that Long Beach pretty boy. I rock nothing but brand. Check shirts, Levi's, and just like my badge, my lyrics are organized. They're stronger than ever. My name will be up in lights forever. Not even for a second can I even watch television, cause I wanna be on it and be the best that did it. My sister always told me, if you really wanna do it and not when I wanna be there, maybe I should move it. Some people say that I'm worthless, but I'ma say nothing back cause I'm a good person. So instead, I write rhymes to the love of my life. This music has shown affection when I'm stuck in a fight. I'm married to hip hop till death does us part. Cause when I'm changing the mic, I spit nothing but what's in my heart. These upcoming rappers never try to help me, cause they're fighting for the same thing. I never thought it'd be like this, what I'm currently facing. So many after the same dream, it's so amazing. The power of the music is worth it out there, but it depends on the minutes and hours that you put into it. I've been through a lot, been shot at, name I bet I've already been through it. There's a lot of competition in this music world, but I won't give up. I'ma just live up and give it my best shot, and hope I make it to the top. First, you can call me Mr. Hip Hop. My destination is the top of the game. I can't stop, I won't stop till I reach the tip top. Yeah, I'm married to hip hop. Hey, look, I grab a pencil and I write rhymes about shit that has occurred in my life. Like losing a brother to a drive-by, and having my first child at the age of 16, and my GF becoming my wife. I feel like the fame is close by. I can see my name up in lights. I love this whole music life. This rap game, the spotlight. My dream is to be famous, but until then, I'ma be patient. I don't believe in discrimination. As I blow up, there will be no hesitation. I do this whole music thing for myself. I do this for my son, Isaac J. I do this for my wife who's next to me day after day. Some say my lyrics are dope, some say I'm a joke, some say my music is stupid. Fuck it, I'ma have a bunch of credits every verse, I might as well get used to it. I'm just trying to get signed to a major label. Like a full family, got me food on the table. I got pride, that's something nobody will ever take. I'm happy as long as my kid and my wife's world is sunny. Like my dad always said, no money, no honey. Yeah, I'm known as JJ Tricks, yeah, I like that Tricks one. Yeah. First, you can call me Mr. Hip Hop. My destination is the top of the game. No pit stops, I won't stop till I reach the tip top. Yeah, I'm married to hip hop.
Alright guys, so I'm standing here with JJ. He's our first performer of the night. How you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling good. The performance, not so good. I came here, I tried my hardest. I give it my all, but hope everybody liked it, so.
Alright, so what are some things that influence you to do what you do? Don't be so hard on yourself. You did good. You did really good. So what are some things that influence you to do what you do?
There's some major influences in my life, like my girlfriend. She's been with me for like 2 years. She supports me with all my music. With my mixtape, she helps me out with everything. Our daughter and our son, those are my major influences.
Alright, so you definitely did your thing. How long have you been performing for?
For like 1.5 years, or performing, this was like my second, but I've been working with music for like 1.5 years.
Okay, cool. So do you have any special shout outs before we get out of here?
Shout outs to Fame Streets for holding this down, for everybody else who's holding this down, for all my supporters who came down, my girlfriend especially. That's about it.
Alright, so can we follow you on Twitter, or do you have a MySpace, Facebook, anything like that?
Oh, you guys can follow me on MySpace. Go to www.myspace.com/JJZamora17.
Thank you. Best of luck to you, okay? Have a good night.